Hello, thank you for coming back to our channel. We're going to do a Christmas ornament to hang on a tree using the Scrabble letters. And I bought 2 packs from the Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. Also, you will need ribbon, any color you want, whatever you desire for your tree. I got a glue gun and Gorilla Glue. We're not going to use this today, but you can use the glue gun just so I can pick up the ornament and show you when we're finished. You need scissors to cut the ribbon. The ribbon length, I can't tell you the ribbon length due to the fact it depends on the amount of letters you have and the name that you're making. So this is how, when you do, when you place the letters down, you gotta make sure your numbers, you see how like the numbers at the bottom, so you won't have it like this, because you see that's backwards. So we're gonna lay it like this. So we're gonna use, but when you use this Gorilla Glue, you just lay a strip down here, and I will lay a thin strip of the glue gun so it can stay in there and let it dry overnight. So this is how it's gonna look. So we're gonna start laying the letters. So you just lay a dab of glue like that. That was great. Lay the letter backwards. So you just go down and lay a strip of glue like that. You just lay the letters down. Yeah, work fast when you do it with the glue gun, so the glue won't get hard on you. Okay. So I did that just with the glue gun, but if I was using the Gorilla Glue, I'll lay a strip of that as well. And you pick it up like this. So we still have this string up here. So I'm just going to glue that in the back like this. So you just turn it over. Lay a dab of glue. And you're just going to lay this down. We're just going to make a hoop so it can hang on a tree. So this is one of the ornaments that we will have on the tree. And I have more names to make. So I'm just going to show you the one today. And this is one. And this is easy. You can see, you could go on Etsy and other sites. And you see people selling these for like $6, $7, $8. And you can make it yourself. So it's a little Christmas ornament. Personalized with your name going down. With Dollar Tree items. The glue sticks you can get from the Dollar Tree. The glue gun is not from the Dollar Tree. The tiles is from the Dollar Tree. This ribbon came from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree has ribbon as well. And the glue, this Gorilla Glue came from Walmart. But here's the finished product. And you see how fast that was? And it'll hang on your tree like that. Thank you for watching. Please sub to the channel, please. Thank you.